let's all be on the same page. I know it is getting cold and a lot of clients are gonna wear sweaters. Here are some sweaters that I don't recommend you wearing. Let me show you. Alright, so if you have a sweater that covers half of your hand, don't wear this shit, okay? 99% lint's gonna get on it, okay? Sorry, I just cannot fit my wife's sweater. Alright, you see this right here? You see the amount of lint on this arm? No, this will get your polish lint up. I'm stretching out her goddamn clothes. Okay, you see this? Look at that. Look at the amount of lint. This is bullshit, okay? Don't be wearing this. I don't know why there's a stain right there. Maybe I should just throw this away, but again, I don't want to get yelled by my wife. You know what? I'm not even going to try this on. I feel like I'm going to rip this thing. But you guys get my point, right?